Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recent, and if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, simply swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. So something like that. And here we've got the recents. Basically, if you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up like that, but let's be honest, if you've got a lot of apps opened, it's less convenient, to be honest. So just swipe to the left until you'll see this option clear all. So let's tap on clear all. We just got back to the home page so we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.